after learning how to take out the square root of non-perfect number to a approximate decimal value. Now let us solve the exercise and be clear how to do that sum. Now here the exercise number 5, in which they have asked you to find out the square roots, and square root to where? Up to the 4th decimal place. So there are 5 sums in this exercise. That is first 10, which is non-perfect number 135, the second sum. Third is 777, then 1000, and then fifth one is 5328. So we'll solve one by one. Now you know that you can take out the square root of non-perfect number, and that I have explained you in the example. Now here they have asked you up till the 4th decimal place. So what we'll do, we will write 10 here and then put a decimal point, and we'll take 4 times the pair of 0, right? Now we have to start solving this. To solve this, as I've explained earlier, what you will do, first you will consider this first 10 number, right? And then you will take a number, such a number whose square will be equal to 10 or less than 10. As you know, 10 is a non-perfect square. So there is not a single number whose square I will get 10. So which is the number which is close to it? You know that it is 3. So I'll take 3 over here. Now 3 square, that means 3 into 3. What does it give? It gives 9. So I'll write 9 over here. I'll subtract this. What you will get over here? 1. Right? Now what is the method you have to follow? This 3 you will add over here. Now you will get over here 6. And after that, this 2 you have to bring down. This. Now you got 100 over here. Now I have to take such a number besides 6, so that when I multiply the number which I am taking with the same number, I should get the answer 100 or near to 100. So now let us try how to find that number. Now if it is 6, I'll take 1 and multiply by 1, I'll get 61, right? But 61 is very less than 100. Now what I'll do, if I'll take 2, let me try with 2, I'll multiply by 2. But you know that it will be more than 100. How? 2 2s are 4 and 2 6 are 12. Now this is 124, which is more than 100. So I will not take this. We have to take this because it is less than 100. So I'll write here, I'll put 2 over here, 1 over here, then 61 multiplied by 1. Now before doing that, I am moving to the other number, the number which is after decimal point. So this decimal point I will put over here. Then I'll put 1, as I am multiplying 61 by 1. And what we get? 61. Now subtract this number. Now what you will get? Here you will get 10 and here 9. From 10 you will minus, subtract 1, you will get 9. And from 9 the 6 will go, then what you will get? 3. Right? Now the next step is that this one you will add over here. And now you will get 62. Right? Now to solve further, what I have to do? I have to take these 2 zeros below. Now you got 3900, right? Now again, to solve further, I have to take such a number besides 62 and multiply the same number with this number, so that I should get number equal to or less than this. So again we will try here for the second. This is 62 already over there. And now I'll see, I'll put 2 over here and I'll multiply. So now it gives me 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Now what is this number? Now this is 1244. But what we need? We need 3000. So it is very less. So let me try with the 3 or now 3 if I'll try, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 6 are 18. Right? Now this 18 is also very less. So better we'll take a number which is more than 3. So let me try with 6 2 6. Right? Now let me multiply. Now 6 into 6 give me 36. 3 carry. 6 into 2 gives me 12 plus 3, 15. 1 carry. 6 into 6 gives me 36 and 37 will come plus 1. Now this is the number which is close to this. So I'll take 6. So where to put that 6? We will write that 6 over here. We will multiply 6. So I'll write here 6 multiplied by this number. We get 3756. Now subtract this number. Again you will get over here. From 10, 6 will go. You will get 4. From 9, subtract 5, again you will get 4. From 8, you subtract 7, you will get 1. Now what is remaining? One step is remaining. That is 6. This 6 you will write over here. You will add this and here you will get 12, 1 carry 3 and 6. Right? Now in the question they have asked you 4 decimal place. So how many places we have completed? Just 2. So still we have to solve further. To solve further, again I will bring down this 20. Right? Now you got 14,400. Now what I will do again? Again I will put some number over here. And that number multiplied by this number, I should get something near to this. Now your number is 6. Let me write with the other chalk so that it will be clear for you. 2. Then if I put 2 over here, let me multiply. What I get? 2 into 2 4. 2 into 2 4. 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. So here is the number, that is 12,644. So now this is somewhat near to this. If I take 3, you know that when 3 multiplied by 6, that will give me 18,000. So 18,000 is more than 14,000. So this is the number that we can take over here. Right? So which number we have to put over here? Again I will put 2 over here. Then 2 multiplied by this number. It will give me that number, 12,644. Now you will subtract this. What you will get? Again here I will make it 10. Here there is 9. From here I have taken 1. Right? Now from 10 you subtract 4, you will get 6. From 9 you 5 you will get. From 3, 6 will not go. So what you will do? You will take from here 1 and here 3 is remaining. So from 13, if you will subtract 6, you will get 7. And from 3, if you subtract 2, you will get 1. Now this is the number which is remaining. Now again what we have to do? The 2 which we have taken here, that I will add over here. And here you will get 6, 3, 2, 4. Right? Now our sums is over? No. Why? Because we got only 3 number after the decimal point. So again we need one more number. So we will bring this pair of 0 over here. Right? Now what I got? 1,75,600. Now we'll see that which number to put over here and then multiplied by this number, whether I am getting a number near to this. So what I'll do? Here we'll take the number, that is 6, 3, 2, 4. Now let me take 2 over here. So when I'll multiply by 2, what I'll get? 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are again 4, 2 3s are 6 and 2 6s are 12. So what I am getting? 1,26,484, and that is near to this. Why? If I take 3, you know again it will be 18,000 over here, which is more than that. So this is the correct number which we have to take over here. So what I'll do? I'll put 2 over here, multiplied by 2, and then what answer we are getting? 1,26,484. Subtract it. Now again you will make 10 over here, taking carry from here. Here it will become 9 and here 5. From 10, 4 will go, you will get 5, 9 minus 8, 1, 5 minus 4, 1. Then here from 5, 6 will not go, you will take here 15 minus 6, you will get 9. And here from 6 minus 2, you will get 4. Right? Now, still the sum is over? Yes, because they have asked up till 4 decimal place and we got the decimal place up to 4. Now, but this part is remaining. These 2 I have to add over here. Now, you will get 4, 4, 2, 6, 3. So, this is the way you will solve or you will find the square root of non-perfect number. This was the first sum. And here we got the root of 10, that is 3.1622. As they have told you up till 4 decimal place, so we are solving up till here only. Otherwise you can carry on this sum. Now the same sums, how to write the answer. Now if they have asked 4 decimal place, then the answer is 3.1622. Now if they have asked 3 decimal places, up to 3 decimal places, then what you have to do? You have to observe the 4th number. The 4th number is 2, which is less than 5. So whenever the number is less than 5, you will drop it. And you will write only 3.162. If it is more than 5, 5 or equal to 5 or more than 5, then you know very well, we will add 1 to this. As it is 2 over here, we will drop that and we will write till here, 3.162. So if they will ask you up to 3 decimal place, then this is the answer. Now if they will ask 2 decimal place, then now what you have to do? Again you will go to this answer. You see 2 decimal place, you will observe the 3rd place. 3rd place is again 2, which is less than 5. So less than 5, so you will drop that and the answer will be 3.16. Now when they will ask only 1 decimal place, now what you have to observe? You have to observe the 2nd place. Here the second number is what? 6, which is more than 5. So when the 6 is, your number is more than 5, I will add 1 to this. So when I add 1 to this, it will become 2. So the answer will be 3.2. Right? So this is the way you have to solve this sum in your book. Children, now let's move to with the second sum. The second sum of this exercise 5. Here also you have to find the square root of 135 up till 4 decimal point. Now let us start here with this. Here the number is 135. And you know the first step. What is that? We have to take numbers such that the square of that should be equal to this or less than this. As it is non-perfect, so you know that it doesn't have a number which square will be equal to this. So you know the square of all the number from 1 to 10. Now 10 square gives you 100. So 100 is less than this. So let us move to the 11 square. So what is 11 square? You know that it is 121. And 12 square is 144. Now 144 is more than this. So we'll take 11 square. So I'll put 11 over here, 11 over here, and then 121. Then I'll subtract it. What I'll get? 5 minus 1, 4, and here 1. Right? What is the next step? This 11 is to be added over here, and you will get 22. Right? Now you have to solve further up to the 4 decimal point. So now we have to move and take this. As I am taking this 0, these zeros are after the decimal point. So this point I'll put over here. Right? Now the next step is you will put some number beside 222, so that multiplied by the same number should give number equal to this. So let us try some. Now 22 is the number. If I'll put 2 over here, what I'll get? 2 2s are 4, 4 and 4. Right? Now this is very less. Now let me try with the bigger number. So if I'll take 6 over here, it will give me 6 6 are 36, right? So 3 carry. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15. 1 carry. 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 30. Now see, this number is close to this and this is very less. So I will go with this number. So which number you will write over here? You will write 6, because 6 multiplied by this number gives me 1356. Right? Now the next step, you have to subtract this number. So to subtract it, I will take carry from here, it will become 10. From here I will take over here, it will become 10, and here 9, and here 3. Now from 10, 6 you subtract, you will get 4. From 9 subtract 5, you will get 4, and here 0. Right? 0, 0. Now what is the next step? This 6 which we have taken, we have to add over here. So I will get 12, 1 carry, 3 and 2 over here. The next step is what? You will bring this 0 over here, as we got only one number after decimal point. We want 3 more numbers. So we have to still solve further. Now to solve further, again I have to take some number over here, so that multiplied by that number, it will give me the number near to it. So if I multiply by 2 over here, so what I'll get? 4, 4, 6, 4. Now just observe this. This is 4644 and here it is 4400. So this 2 will not go. So what I'll do? I'll take 1. So 1 multiplied by that number will give me same number. So I will write this, right? So 1 I will put over here, 1 I'll write over here. So 1 multiplied by this will give me 2321. The next step is to subtract this number. Again I'll take carry. From 10, 1 you subtract, you will get 9. From 9, 2, 7, and here we have taken 1. So 3 into 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 2, you will get 2. Right? So here is the number 2079. Now the next step is this one, what you have taken, you have to add over here. So here you will get 2, 2, 3, 2, right? Now to solve further, I have to take this 0 over here. Now you got 2,07,000 and then that is, you can say that it is 2,07,900. Now to solve this again we have to take some number over here. Now you got the number that is 2322. Now if I take here 5, suppose, what I'll get? 5 into 5, 25, 2 carry, 5 into 2, 10 plus 2, 12, 1 carry, then 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11, 1 carry, 15 plus 1, 16, 1 carry, 11. So here I am getting 1,16,000. So it is very, very less. So let us try some other number. So I'll take 3, 2, 2. Here I'll take 8. Right? Now if I'll by 8 if I'll do, what I'll get? 8 into 8, 64. 6. Right? Then 8 2s are 16 plus 6, 22. 2 carry. 8 into 2, 16, 17, 18. 1 carry, 8 into 3, 24, 24 plus 1, 25, 2 carry, 8 into 2, 16, 17, 18. So here I got 1,85,824. So that is somewhat near to 2 lakh. So the number which I'll put over here is 8. So the same number I'll put over here. 8 multiplied by this number will give me 1,85,824. Now we'll subtract it. Right? Now again here it will become 9, here it will become 10. 10 minus 4, 6 you will get, 9 minus 2 you will get 7. Here there is 8, 8 minus 8, 0. Then 7 minus 5, 2 you will get, right? Now again from 0, 8 will not go, I will take 1 from here, it will become 10. Now from 10 if you minus 8, you will get 2, right? So this is the number, 22,076. Now still your sum is complete. No, we will observe, we will move to here. Here I am getting 11.618, that is 3 decimal place after the point. So there are 3 numbers after the decimal point. So still the question is up to 4th decimal place. So I will move further and take this 0 here. Right? Now the next step which is here, I will add 8 over here. Now 8 and 8, 16, 1 carry, 3, then here 2, 3, 2, right? Now to solve further, what we have to do? Again we need some number which will give this number or near to this number. Here you are having 22 lakhs. Now you know that here I have to put some number. So naturally to get 22 lakh, I should use some bigger number. So let me try with this. 2, 3, 3, 6. Let me try with 9. So when I multiply by 9, what I get? 9 into 9, 81, 8, 9 into 6, 54. 54 plus 8, 62, 6, 9 into 3, 27, 27 and 6, 33, 3 carry. Now 9 into 2, 18, 18 plus 3, 21, 2 carry. 9 into 3, 27 plus 2, 29, 2 carry. 9 into 2, 18, 19, 20. So here you got 20,91,321. So this is near to this number. So I will take 9 over here, put 9 over here also, because you will be multiplying this number with this. And what answer we are getting? 2091 3, 2, 1. Now we'll subtract it. What I will get? I have to take carry to subtract it. So here it will be 9 and 10. From 10, 1 is subtracted 9. From 9, 2, you will get 7. Here there is 5. From 5, 3 is subtracted 2. From 7, 1. Then 6 will remain. Here from 0, 9 will not go. So what I'll do? I'll take 1 carry from here. So 10 minus 9 give me 1. And here only 1 is remaining 1. So this is remaining. Now what is the next step? Next step is what? This 9 I have to add over here. And this will give me 18, 1 carry 7. Rest of the number will be same. Right? Now here only we have to stop. Why? Because the question is asked up to 4 decimal place and we got the answer. So now the square root of 135 up to 4th decimal place, that is square root of 135 up to 4th decimal place will be 11.6189, right? Now this when they have asked up to 4th decimal place. Right, so this is the answer. Now they will ask 3 decimal place, third decimal, up to 3rd decimal place. So what is the procedure? Now you know very well as we have solved in the first sum. To get the 3rd decimal, I will see the 4th one. 4th here the number is 9, which is greater than 5. So what I'll do? I will add 1 to this. So here I will get 11.619. Why? Because 9 is greater than 5. So I'll add 1 to this. So from 8 plus 1 it will give 9. Now if they will ask for 2nd decimal place up till 2nd decimal place. So what will be the answer? To get the answer for 2 decimal places, I will observe the 3rd one. The 3rd number is what? It is 9. Again it is greater than 5. So again you will add 1 to this. And here I will get 11.62. Why 2? Because 1 plus 1 gives us 2. Now it will ask only 1st decimal place. Now 1st decimal place, then what you have to do? I will check the 2nd number. The 2nd number is just 2, which is less than 5. So I will drop it and the answer will be only 11.6 as 2 is less than 5, right? So this is the way you will solve the sum, and I hope you have understood this. Now let's move to the 3rd one. Now let's move to the 3rd sum, that is 777. You have to find the square root of this number and that too up to 4th decimal place. Now this I have already solved here. Now let me explain you how to solve this. Now here this is the number 777. Now again we want to solve this to find the square root. What I'll do, I'll take a number whose square will be equal or less to this. Now you know the squares of 25 is 625, right? Now that is also very less. So I need 700. So let's move little further. So when I'll take 27, the square of 27, see I have multiplied over here. What you are getting, 7 into 7 gives you 49, 4 carry, and 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 4, 18, and then 2 into 7, 4, then 14, 1 carry, 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. And this is the square of, when you add this you will get 729. That number I'll take over here, right? So the first number which we are taking to solve this is 27. So you will write 27 over here, 27 over here. Then 27 into 27 gives you 729. The next step is what? You have to subtract this, and you will get 7 here. You say from 7, 9 will not go, so I will take carry from here, so it becomes 17. 17 minus 9 give you 8, and here 6 is remaining. From 6 you will subtract 2, you will get 4, right? Now the same 27 you will add over here, you will get 548. Now to solve further, as you know, we have to put these zeros are after the decimal point. So I will put a decimal point over here, then bring this couple of 0 over here, and then here you will get 4800. Now again, to solve this, we have to take a number over here. Now taking 1, 2, 3 will not solve a problem. So as number is in 4000, so I have to take a big number. So we have taken 8 over here. Now 8 is multiplied by this number. What you are getting? 8 into 8, 64, 6 carry. 8 into 4, 32 plus 6, 38, 3 carry. 8 into 5, 40 plus 3, what? 43. So this is the number which I'll take, right? Now this number I'll write over here, and then you have to subtract this. Again here, while subtracting, you can see from 0, 4 will not go, so we will take carry from here. Here to here, here to here. So from 10, 4 goes, you will get 6, from 9, 8, 1, and then from 8, 3. Now from 7, sorry, because you have already taken 1 carry. So you will get 4. Now the same 8 number I will add over here, and here I will get 556. To solve further, again we'll take this couple of 2 over here, 0 over here, and then now we are taking 7 over here. Why 7? Because the number is very big. Now you got 41,600. So now while taking 7, you know very well we have to multiply 7 by 8 and see what we are getting. Here 7 multiplied by this number give us 38,969. So this is very close to this. So I'll take that number over here, and then we'll subtract it. Again from 0, 9 will not go, so I'll take carry from here, and from here to here it will become 10. From 10 I am taking over here, it will become 9, and from 10 you subtract 9, you will get 1. From 9 you subtract 6, you will get 3. And here from 5 I can't subtract 9, so I am taking 1 from here. So for 15 subtract 9, you will get 6. And here again 0 is there, so I'll take carry from here. From 4 it will become 10. From 10 you will subtract 8 and you will get 2, and here you will get 0, right? So now here you are getting number 26, that is 2631. That is the remainder. Now what you have to do, as you have taken 7 over here, you will add 7 over here, and here you will get 5,574. Now to solve further, now as we have to solve up to 4 decimal point, I will take a number over here, 4. Before that I will bring this 0 down, right? And then I will solve this. So again the same thing we have to repeat. We have to take a number over here. As the number over here is very small, so I'll start with the 4 only. So 4, when I'll multiply by this, it gives me 4 into 4, 16, 1 carry. 4 4s are 16 plus 1, 17. Then 1 carry, 4 into 7, 28 plus 1, 29, 2 carry. 4 into 5, 20 plus 2, 22. 2 carry, again 4 into 5, 20, 20 plus 2, 22. So here you are getting 2,22,976. Now that is close to this number, because here you are having 2,63,100. So I'll take that number over here, again subtract that number. Now while subtracting, see again. You will subtract 6 from 10, you will get 4. 7 from 9, 2. 9 from 10, 1. 2 from 2, 0. Here 2 from 6, 4. Right? And here 0 is there. Now you got this number. Still our answer is not complete. Still we want to solve one more decimal point we want. So the last couple of 0 you will take over here. Now here the number 4 will be added over here, and then we will see what next number we have to take. Now you got 55,748. Now this number again, what number? As the number over here is larger, so we will 7 number, because 7 is the number which give us the, after multiplying by 7, give us the number near to this. So let us see after multiplying by 7 what we get. Now 7 into 7 give us 49, 4 carry. 7 into 8 give us 56 plus 4, 60, right? 6 carry. 7 into 4, 28 plus 6, 28 plus 6, 34, 3 carry. 7 into 7, 49. 49 plus 3, that will give 52, 5 carry. 7 into 5, 35 plus 5, 40. So 4 carry. 7 into 5, 35 plus 4, 39. So here you get 39 lakh 2,409, right? So that number you will put over here. Now after subtracting that, you are getting from 10, 9 will go 1, and 0 from 9, 9. Then here 4 from 13 you will get 9. Again 2 you will subtract from 11, you will get 9. 0 here, then 9 from 10 you will get 1, and here again 0. So now here you complete the sum, because here you got the 4 number after decimal point. But this 7 you will be adding over here and write the answer over here. Now this way you can find the square root of non-perfect number. Now again to the answer part when we come. Now when they will ask you up to 4 decimal place, so you have to write as it is. Here you will write 27.8747. So this is the answer, right? This is up to the 4th decimal place. Now when they will ask you up to the 3rd decimal place, so what procedure you will follow? You will see the 4th place is 7, which is more than 5. So I will add 1 to this. So 4 plus 1, it gives me 5. So here the answer will be 27.875. Right? Now if the answer is asked up to the 2 decimal place, then we will observe the 3rd place. Now 3rd place is 5. As I have explained you, if it is 5 or more than 5, then you have to add 1. So here it is 5. So again I will add 1 to this plus 1. So 7 plus 1 will be 8, and here the answer will be 27.88. Right? And when the answer is asked for the 1st decimal place, then only the 1st number you will see. You will take care of 1st number, and then before writing the answer, you will see the next number, 2nd place, what it is. Now here the 2nd place is 8. Again you will add 1 to this. Why? Because 8 is more than 5. And here it will become 9. So the answer will be 27.9. So this is the way you have to solve in your notebook. Now let's move to the 4th sum.